This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV, and today we're going to talk about the Vibe 26 RB. This is a brand new 2024 year model. It's got the remote package, which has the solar panels, the second AC. I mean, it is ready to go. This particular unit has the two 20-pound bottles, the battery disconnect, huge front storage, remember, guys, to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. This particular unit is a 50-amp camper. It has the Lippert on-the-go ladder prep and the Furrion backup camera prep. What that means is you can install the backup cameras very easily, and actually the ladder hooks to the prep, so it's a full walk-on roof. This particular unit has the Suburban on-demand hot water heater. It's got electric stabilizer jacks, huge awning, two outside speakers, and the outdoor kitchen. We're going to walk inside. This particular unit has the rear bath, theater seating, got the dinette, queen size bed. It is prepped for the second AC. Huge sink. Love this trailer. The only complaints everybody has on this trailer is it does not have enough pantry space. But it has the hidden pantry. All kinds of pantry space. Remember, I always say we walk through these campers so fast. I try to show you as much as possible about the camper. But if you have any questions on this camper or any of our camper, please contact us. Thank you very much and have a great day.